let's do the purl stitch. Usually purl stitching is done on the back of a garment or a project after you knit. So the knit is usually to the front. The purl, when you turn it, is going to be on the back, usually, because you can still use purl stitching on the front of anything. So let's go ahead, and with the knitting stitch, we went to the back. Do you remember? We went to the back. With a purl stitch, you're going to come to the front. Now there's one thing you have to know. Your yarn, when you purl, needs to come to the front. It needs to stay to the front. And with the knitting stitch, it stayed to the back. So with the purl, we're going to keep it to the front. So under the fence, grab the goat, run to the back, you're pushing it through the hole, and jump off the boat. Let's try that. Under the fence, grab the goat, run to the back, and jump off the boat. Can you do that? Let's try that again. Under the fence, grab the goat, run to the back, you're going to push it through to the back, and jump off the boat. And this is for right-handed stitchers also, and I think we'll do a left-handed because I do have a left-handed child that can show you how to do that left-handed. So stay tuned for that, and that's how you do the purl stitch, and just continue.